D.C. and Northern Virginia areas. We're here in part 4 of our series of our roof recovery project that we're doing here in a place called Landover Hills, Maryland. We're coming down the home stretch of the project. This project was again a roof recover, mechanically fastened. What we're doing is a Duralast 60 mil PVC membrane, screwing it down to a metal deck. We did have some defective ISO board that we had to replace around the AC units, so we got that all done. And as you can see here, our technicians are pretty much coming down the home stretch. We're actually doing tightening up the expansion joint here, as you can see there. So yeah, we're just about finished with the project here. All we have left to do after this is pretty much some minor details. Today I think we're going to be putting in our drains. We're doing retrofit drains and whatnot. We have our pitch pans on order. So we have this, our pitch pans kind of like dried in around the perimeters there. You see our technicians come down the home stretch on this, doing some hand welding. So yeah, this is where we're at with the project here. Going on the home stretch. Yeah, here shortly we will be, probably today, probably not tomorrow, because we're expecting rain. So we're going to dry it in for the night, make sure she's watertight. But this is our 2-part compression metal that we'll be putting on the edge of the roof here, and that's pretty much the coping metal that will be going around the perimeter of the roof. And what we got here is one of our drains here. So we'll be slipping this flange down into the hole, and then we put our expansion rings on there, and make sure we don't have any water backing up inside of the drain and whatnot. So yeah, this is where we're at with the project here. This is some of the metal that we took off. We kind of like take this metal to get it recycled, get a couple dollars back from it, put it towards our Christmas fund, things like that. So yeah, this is the project. This is about 8,000 square feet here. This roof here took us about. We started on Saturday. Today is, what is today? Tuesday. So yeah, we had lava rock on this side, pea gravel on this side. So we were able to lead the pea gravel, and we put down 3/8" fan fold board, screwed it down, and then screwed down the membrane, and then he welded all the seams on this side. We didn't have to put any fan fold down. We already had a 2-inch ISO. Just laid our membrane the seams, and like I said, replaced some wet insulation on the units here, and then we also had to put some slip sheet, so like a plastic film. We put it in these 2 areas here because we had laid some coating on the roof to take care of it 3 or 4 years ago. So yeah, Duralast requires us to put like a Some trash over here. We'll be getting off the roof here shortly. Minor trash. It's a lot of trash for a recover. We're not doing a tear off, but it is what it is. So yeah, down here is putting our flange in here. So yeah, what we do is we run a bead of caulk around the outside of the flange before we slide it in the hole here. It's Duralast Plus, and then we have some expansion rings that we put inside of there, and we cut the string, and the rings expand out around the inside of the pipe. So that way, if the drains ever get clogged up, nothing will be able to go on the outside of the drain and get up underneath the roof there. So yeah, that's how that works. Okay, so yeah, again, this is part 4. So we got one more step there. We'll be coming back to do our detail work, and then we'll have our inspector come out, and he will be inspecting the roof for a full system warranty from Duralast. And we are able to give a full system warranty because we are certified installers for Duralast. So after he passes the inspection, after we pass the, let me say it again. After we pass the inspection, we will be able to deliver to the building owner a 20-year material and workmanship warranty from the manufacturer. So yeah, you can't go wrong with that. Okay, yeah, so yeah, if you can use this service, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We can be reached at 410-799-1600. That's 410-799-1600. Also entice you to check us out on Google, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And also the Better Business Bureau. You can also check out our website, KangaRoof.com. That's KangaRoof.com. Okay, thank you and have a great day.